Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using the navigation pane in Microsoft Word 365. Do you ever find yourself desperately searching for a specific heading, page, or even a single word in your document? Especially if it is a lengthy document. The navigation pane is your solution for hassle-free document navigation. Let's begin by understanding what the navigation pane is. The navigation pane in Microsoft Word 365 is the sidebar that can be displayed to help you navigate through your document. Not only does it display a table of contents like structure under the Headings tab, but it also gives you a thumbnail view of all the pages in the document and displays results of a search. In this video, we will only look at the functionalities of the Headings tab in the navigation pane. Let's begin by learning how to access the navigation pane. Open your Microsoft Word 365 document. In the ribbon, click the View tab. In the Show group, select the Navigation Pane checkbox. And there's your navigation pane. Let's see how we can work with headings using the navigation pane. The navigation pane displays the headings in your document, if they have been formatted using the heading styles. For example, the built-in styles named from heading 1 to heading 9. If you click on a heading, it instantly takes you to that heading in your document, like this. You can also change the hierarchy of the headings from the navigation pane. For example, you can make a heading 1 as heading 2. This action is called demoting. Similarly, you can promote a heading, which means, make a heading 2 as heading 1. Look at this heading 1. It also has subheadings under it. Right-click, and then select Demote to make it a heading 2. You'll notice that all subheadings under it are also demoted. To promote this heading 2 to heading 1, right-click and select Promote. All subheadings under it are also promoted. Now let's look at another action that can be performed using the navigation pane. Let's say you want to add a new heading after this heading, heading A. Since this is a level 1 heading, the new heading will also be created as a level 1 heading. Simply right-click the heading, and then select New Heading after. A space for the new heading is created in your document, and in the navigation pane. You can also add a heading before a specific heading, by selecting New Heading Before. To add a subheading, right-click the heading, and select New Subheading. The navigation pane allows you to expand and collapse headings. This is especially useful, if you have a lengthy document, and you need to scroll down to view the headings at the bottom. Collapsing all the headings gives you a better picture of the document outline. Here's how you do it. Just click this small triangle icon next to the heading, to collapse all subheadings under it. Click it again to expand the subheadings. You can also right-click a heading, and then select Collapse All or Expand All, to collapse and expand all headings at once. The navigation pane also allows you to change the order of the content in your document. Simply drag and drop a heading to its new place, and all the subheadings and content under it will also move along with it in the document. Now let's see how to select, and print, a specific section of the document. Instead of selecting the section manually in the document, just right-click the heading, and click Select Heading and Content. To print the selected portion of the document, right-click again, and click Print Heading and Content. And we're done. The navigation pane is a great feature that simplifies managing large and complex documents. Say goodbye to endless scrolling, and hello to pinpoint accuracy with the navigation pane in Microsoft Word 365. Thanks for watching.